What's up? This is EB.
Yo, this is IG.
Welcome back to a reaction video with my uncle, and
Yo,
you should go check out his channel.
Immortal G.
And welcome back to my channel, and let's get right into the video. Leave a like.
Yeah, we're gonna be reacting
Subscribe.
to the finest 1 in 1 million animal moments caught on camera. Let's go.
Let's do this.
It's not every day that we get to see animals act out of character. We have preconceived ideas about what they do, and it can be shocking when they break script. Fortunately for us, some people get video evidence of animals acting weirdly,
Whoa.
or in an exciting way. From a turtle stealing
Little
food
lemur.
from an alligator to a lizard crawling out of a toilet, here are 20 interesting animal moments caught on camera. Number 20. Swans attack golfer. Would you say that golf is a dangerous sport? Typically, no.
Swans
Why
can
do
be
you think
scary.
it's popular among retired people? It
This is
doesn't
not
require
like
all that much physical fitness as a
actually.
recreational, casual level, but you might be questioning whether it's the safest sport you can play when there's a chance of a swan attack each time you head to your local course. A YouTuber by the name of Mally1640 uploaded a video in 2014 showing someone named Stan, or Stanny as they refer to him, heading out for a casual game of golf at the Grimsby Golf Course in Grimsby, UK. As he reached the hole near the lake or pond
Those
that
are
the golf club had
creepy.
installed many years ago, they encountered
Those
two
that
black
look like
swans
the
that took
ones
offense
that
to the men being there.
Here. The swans that are here are white.
Stan was just trying to
Yeah,
take
why are
his
they
shots,
black?
but the pair of birds were
That's
trying to
cool.
make him
That's
leave. The man used his golf cart as a
That's
shield
cool.
against the swans,
And
but he
they're-
had to
it's like
run
their beaks
quickly
are
with the
white,
cart
right?
in front of him
Too.
to prevent a painful attack.
That's so
Eventually, the swans lost interest and left him alone,
That is
but there
really
could have
cool.
definitely been a
Kinda
different
wanna get
outcome. Black swans are known to be aggressive
cool.
when defending their territory
They're
and
aggressive.
nests from intruders. They think nothing of running after
can push
anyone
right
they
back at
believe
them.
is a threat,
They're
even
afraid
small
of-
children.
I'll run right at them.
Now it's time for the
hiss at them
star
and run at
topic.
them.
I wonder how they
This is
taste.
one of those one-in-a-million
Tigers.
animal moments caught on camera. Someone captured footage showing a monitor lizard eating a snake. The person who took
my
the
God.
photo was incredibly shocked because it's not something you see every day. The absolutely massive monitor lizard approached the snake and immediately started chowing down on it. Before long, it had half of its body in the lizard's mouth and just gave up. Did you know that monitor lizards eat snakes? Why do you think this monitor lizard
That's
decided to
real.
eat
It's
such
just
a
like
massive one?
enhanced,
Comment
I
down
think.
below with the hashtag star topic and let us know your opinion in relation to what we just showed on screen. With that being said, let's keep things moving.
Can I get a
Number 19. Parrot steals AirPods. If you needed another reason to buy a cheap pair of wired earphones instead of expensive AirPods, it would be because of the theft risk. We're not talking about a random opportunist at your local park when you're out for a run. We're talking about a parrot. Santiago, Chile news reporter Nicholas Crum was at a local park reporting on the increase of robberies in the city when he became a victim of one himself, proving his own point. A friendly parrot decided to sit on his shoulder while he reported live, and Nicholas didn't
I wanna
seem to
go there,
mind it
that'd be
being
cool.
there. He
You
also
just sit on
couldn't
your
give the
shoulders.
parrot too much attention while reporting since the topic he was speaking about was quite sensitive. Residential break-ins. Nicholas said it was prudent for him to carry on with the broadcast, but that got quite challenging to do because before long, the parrot had reached into his ear and plucked out one of Nicholas' AirPods, taking off with it.
Sí, y evidentemente hay una situación complicada.
His cameraman tried to get the AirPod back, but locals could be heard out of the camera shot telling him to leave the parrot alone. Fortunately, Nicholas did get his AirPod back in the end when the parrot dropped it. Number 18.
Nice.
Bison stampede on Yellowstone Bridge. Yellowstone National Park is an almost 3,500 square mile wilderness area with rivers, forests, canyons, and hot springs. It's also home to many unique animals like bears, wolves, antelope, and bison. Millions of people visit Yellowstone Park annually, and some can be left disappointed when they fail to catch a glimpse of the animals they want to see. But that wasn't one YouTuber's experience when they visited in 2022. YouTube user NM23 uploaded footage in May 2022 of an incredible bison stampede on the Yellowstone
That'd be
Bridge.
so scary. Look at all of them.
That would be awesome.
They said they had seen a bald eagle on the bridge's north side and around 10 bison
Not
in
if you
view,
get
and
trampled.
that had been an exhilarating experience.
you're
But
in
they
the
had
car.
no idea that 10 bison would quickly turn into 100, and all of them would be
And they're,
running
like,
across the
running
bridge
away
in
from
their direction. As terrifying as that would be, the bison had places to be and weren't interested in the people in the car. They just wanted to cross the bridge and get to new pastures to enjoy a bite to eat. According to the National Park Service, anywhere between 2,300 and 5,500
insane.
bison live in
That's awesome.
Yellowstone Park, with the northern herd breeding on the high plateaus and around Lamar Valley in Hayden Valley. Number 17. Turtle steals chicken wing from alligator. Who do you think would win in a fight? A
Turtles
turtle
are
or an alligator? If your money is on the
Turtles are
alligator, as mine would be, we'd both have to empty our
scare
wallets.
away.
Clearly, there's some sort of hierarchy we're
away,
not aware of if this video is
lions.
anything to go by. A family was watching turtles and an alligator in a swampy body of water and decided to throw the alligator a chicken wing. You might expect the alligator to snap it right up, even if that means pushing the turtle out of the way or even hurting the turtle to come out on top. But the situation doesn't play out how you might expect.
Bro,
The turtle
alligators
wants the
can-
chicken wing
I've seen
just as
alligators
badly
eat
as the
turtles.
alligator and is not afraid to fight for it. Once it lands in the water
That
and
turtle
both
is
the
brave.
turtle and alligator move towards it, the turtle shunts the alligator out of the way and squeezes
grabbed
himself into the best position to get it. The absolute audacity of that turtle. But also, what about that bravery? What kind of turtle would go up against an alligator and think it could win?
He was
In
hungry.
this situation,
Yep.
it clearly did. Number 16.
starving.
Wild boars snatch cyclists' food. Wild boars mostly eat plants, vegetables, and insects, but they're omnivores and would probably eat anything that remotely resembled food. As it turns out, wild boars are also opportunists. Over time, they've worked out that cyclists normally carry snacks with them. After all, they need to keep their energy levels up with all that exercise, so whenever they see a bicycle with a front basket, they're going to stop and have a nosy and see if there's a delicious treat inside. Sometimes they don't even wait until the cyclist leaves the bike unattended. They'll just approach them and see what they have. One cyclist was terrified when a wild boar came up to her when she was pushing her bike. She tried to move herself and her bike away from the boar, but the boar was having none of that. It wanted what she had. But rather than just shake out the contents of her food so the boar would leave her alone, she tried to get away. It didn't go to plan, and the boar was able to grab her bag of goodies and enjoy a delicious snack. Other boars have also been seen trying to tip bikes upside down to make it easier to get the food. Number 15. Grizzly bear understands English. When a YouTube user by the name Brandy Nugent3377 was walking a trail in Glacier National Park in June 2021, they encountered an animal they perhaps didn't want to, a grizzly bear. According to the World Animal Foundation, at least 44 grizzly bear attacks are reported each year, and those walkers perhaps had that in mind when they saw the bear.
So
If it were
scary.
me, I'd be writing out a quick will, but these people kept their composure. They stopped walking, one man started yelling at the grizzly bear to get out of there and go up the hill next to it, off the trail.
Get up the hill. Get out of here.
Weirdly, when the man
What?
said that, the bear looked at the hill. After repeating what he
Bro.
said, the grizzly bear did what he
That's
asked
luck.
and moved off the trail and up the hill.
Is
Imagine
lucky.
if he encountered a French or Spanish-speaking bear that day, rather than one that could understand English. They would have been toast. We joke. But according
like a
to the
dog.
National Park Service, you should always remain still when you encounter a grizzly bear. Wave your arms so they recognize you as a human, but don't run and avoid direct eye contact. Number 14.
Yeah.
Lizard crawls out of toilet. Seeing anything other than what should be in a toilet would be horrifying
That's so
enough. But
weird.
imagine if it was a giant Asian water monitor lizard.
That's funny.
Jason Kingman from Gravesend, Kent, in the UK, was visiting the Thai province
Wow,
of
that's
Pathum
even fun.
Thani as a tourist when his partner alerted him to the presence of something dirty moving in the toilet. And that something dirty isn't what you think. Shantima Shairusuk was getting ready to use the toilet when she spotted a dark figure in the bowl. She immediately called Jason and started recording video footage of the bowl as
Oh
she
my
spoke
God.
to him. Both Jason and Shantima were amazed when a lizard
would've
presented
kept it as a
itself.
vet
Jason
for-
said many of them live in their garden. but it was the first time they had ever seen one in their toilet.
Oh.
Shantima believed it had decided to hide in their bathroom because people were outdoors spraying insecticide. It likely wanted to get away from it. After making eye contact with them for a few minutes and checking out its toilet bowl surroundings, the lizard disappeared around the U-bend, likely making its way through the sewers into a nearby canal. Perhaps what makes this story more horrifying is the fact that these lizards are aggressive when threatened. They also have a venomous bite, which sometimes carries bacteria. Number 13. Monkey interrupts security guard.
Oh, I've seen this.
We might be larger than most monkeys, but that doesn't mean we're not smart enough to know that it's best not to mess with them. A security guard definitely knew better, and it served him well to have those smarts. The security guard was sitting in a chair in his little building, eating his lunch, when he heard a noise. Before long, a monkey had climbed through the window and given the man one heck of a fright. But the man knew what the monkey was there for, his lunch. He quickly broke off a piece and handed it to the monkey, but a small bite wasn't enough for the monkey. It moved closer to him and demanded the rest of it. The man had to take one last quick bite and hand over his lunch to the monkey. I just hope he had other snacks to sustain him, otherwise he's going to be pretty hungry by the time his shift ends. As cute as the monkey is, they are quite problematic in some countries, particularly around Thailand. They love stealing food, but they don't stop there. They have become quite smart in recent years, stealing items from tourists and trading them with other people for food.
I have to, that's my food.
Number 12.
Monkeys.
Pug terrified of teddy bear.
Dude, it's gonna attack
Teddy
me
bears
if
aren't
I
very
don't
scary,
attack
right?
it
Well,
over
tell
my
that to
food.
a pug dog. YouTuber Brandon Blackard uploaded a video in 2012 showing a pug dog spotting a teddy bear being held up by someone at the door, and it was curious about it. At first, the dog just watches, but as the teddy bear starts moving, the dog plucks up the courage to move in closer. Unsure about what it's dealing with, the pug keeps moving closer and then running away, probably wondering if the teddy bear is getting ready to launch its attack. Eventually, the overwhelming situation got the better of the pug. When it ran away from the bear for the final time, it decided it needed to poop. The pug literally defecated itself out of fear or stress.
Oh my
In
gosh.
saying that, nature might have just called sooner than the dog expected.
Scared the
Typically,
shit out of
dogs
me.
use the toilet inside when they haven't been trained, aren't being taken out often enough, or are ill, scared, or anxious. Number 11.
It's so funny.
Koala wanders into a store. The average koala doesn't need an air fryer or a toaster, but that doesn't mean they don't browse for them. In 2017, electronics store workers in Australia were shocked when a koala walked into their store to look at what they had for sale. Not wanting to be rude, they approached the koala as they would any other customer, but realized that it had turned up without its wallet, so they decided to help the koala leave. After all, what good is someone browsing if they don't have their wallet? Get them out of there! But the koala was confused. It could see the exit, but it couldn't figure out what the transparent material was preventing it from being able to leave. It started to panic and run around the store, all the while employers were gently trying to guide the koala out. According to some YouTube video commenters, koalas will often visit areas with humans when they're thirsty. They've long learned that where there are humans, there's water, so they try their luck. Well, you won't find much water in an electronics store, which is definitely a good thing for safety reasons. Number 10. Lemur and cat play. In some US states, owning exotic and endangered animals is legal, so don't be too shocked when you see a cat playing with a lemur. It's probably not as absurd as it looks. A cat was sitting on a table, minding its own business, when a lemur wearing a harness launched a play attack on the cat. The cat was caught off guard and wasn't entirely invested in the fight, but it gave almost as much as it got. The two animals battled it out on the dining table for quite some time and leaped off the table. According to the Duke Lemur Center, lemurs are wild animals with wild instincts. They are not domesticated and don't make appropriate pets. They also said that most people don't understand how expensive lemurs are to care for until they get one. The average dog might only cost you $15,000 over its typical lifespan, but a lemur can cost as much as $200,000 or more. And that's even when saving money or buying food in bulk. In fact, there are believed to be at least 15,000 pet primates in the United States, so some people clearly have the means to own them.
Lemurs are mean.
Number 9. A gathering of bald eagles. Americans rarely see bald eagles, even if they are the nation's emblems. If you do happen to see them, you usually only see one or two. These beautiful birds are mostly seen around Alaska, the Rocky Mountains, the east and west coasts, and the Mississippi River. The rest of the US typically only has a chance to see them when they migrate in winter. But YouTuber Jesse Peck is lucky. The Alaska man got to spend time with at least half a dozen of them in Alaska at Dutch Harbor, with a bowl full of prawns, likely left over from a fishing trip. The bald eagles eagerly gathered at night in front of the man to try to nab a delicious snack. While most of us have a gathering of obnoxious seagulls when we're eating, Jesse was lucky enough to have a gathering of eagles. It was a beautiful moment. While none of the bald eagles were game enough to take the food from the hands, they did get within mere inches of him, clearly not bothered about humans. Jesse said it was just another day in Alaska. Number 8. A dolphin in a river. It's easy to assume you have to venture out into the ocean to see a dolphin, but that might not be the case. If you're exploring the Amazon and Orinoco River tributaries, you might come across botos. Botos is the Portuguese name for dolphins and river dolphins that live in these areas. At first glances, they look like sharks, and your heart will end up in your throat momentarily. After all, people typically stay away from oceans out of fear of sharks, and encountering one in a body of fresh water is the last thing they expect. A YouTube user called Nandicola Anukuma uploaded the footage of a river dolphin, saying it was a shark moving on a freshwater river in Kerala. However, most people said it wasn't a shark. The problem was that no one could agree on what it was. Some people said boto, while others said Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin. Many people also said it was a Ganges river dolphin or a pink river dolphin. At least we can all agree that it's type of creature in the water. Number 7.
It's a fish.
Dolphins sing to clarinet. Name a better musical trio than a man and two dolphins. I'll wait. We all know that dolphins can be quite friendly, but did you know they can also be musical? YouTuber Serkan Kagri uploaded footage to YouTube in 2017 showing him playing the clarinet with backup from two dolphins. While one dolphin sang in tune to the music, the other played the role of the backup dancer. Every time the man changed the type of music he played, from upbeat to solemn, the dolphins changed how they played their part. It was incredible to see. We all know that dolphins are intelligent, so perhaps it's not so shocking to see a band consisting of one human and two dolphins. Studies have shown that dolphins can mimic humans and are quick learners. They are also self-aware problem solvers who can show empathy, innovation, playfulness, and teaching. Dolphins have also been known to show joy and grief, and of all animals in the world, dolphins are undoubtedly one of the most intelligent. Number 6. Friendly seal befriends fisherman. It's not every day that you make friends when going out fishing in a kayak, but Vincent Fejeran did. Vincent was fishing near the Coronado Bridge in San Diego in the spring of 2015 when a young sea lion decided to leap out onto the rear section of his kayak. You might assume that the sea lion had made a mistake and would leap off quickly when it saw Vincent, but it didn't. The sea lion was just as curious and as friendly as they get. Instead of leaving, it stayed on Vincent's kayak for nearly an hour. It was so comfortable with Vincent that it even let him take videos and pictures of it with him.
That is so cool.
Vincent managed to get some super cute selfies with the sea lion resting its head on his shoulder like a long-lost friend. In one of the videos Vincent took, he asked if anyone was looking for a seal because he seemed to have acquired one. Later, he learned it was a sea lion rather than a seal. The sea lion wasn't eager to leave. Even once Vincent kayaked back to shore, he refused to get out of his kayak. If that were me, I'd just be taking the sea lion home as a pet. Eventually, though, Vincent was able to coax it back into the water with food. Number 5. Dog sneaks glance of owner's food. Many dog owners are suckers and will always give in to their dog's sad puppy eyes when they're eating delicious food. That doesn't mean you want to feed them at the same time you're enjoying your food. One dog has learned that he might be in the running for a wee tidbit if he sits close enough to his owner, but that he can't be seen showing any interest in what his owner is eating. The man has a board of goodies like olives, dips, and carrots and is enjoying a fine feast while sitting on the sofa next to his dog. When he's not looking, his dog looks at his food. But when the man is looking at his dog, the dog turns away as if it wasn't staring directly at the food. It's pretty cute to watch, and you just hope the poochie eventually got a wee snack to enjoy. According According to a YouTube commenter, the dog looking away from the food is a primal thing. They said that if dogs were to look at alpha dogs while they're eating, it would be a challenge for their food and classed it as threatening behavior. So, when the dog looks away, it's trying to tell the owner that it wouldn't dream of challenging him for his food, but it can't quite help but stare when he thinks its owner isn't looking. Number 4. Pelican fits man for Dorito. Pelicans typically eat fish, but that doesn't mean they'll say no to other goodies. They're opportunistic feeders and won't turn their noses up at tadpoles, turtles, crustaceans, and other delicious treats they can find in the water. They might not even turn their noses up at processed goods like Doritos. One man filmed an interaction with a pelican, telling his mother that pelicans like Doritos.
Did you know pelicans like Doritos?
He threw one on the ground, but it landed quite a distance away from the pelican. The man decided to pick up the chip so he could bring it closer, but the pelican did not like him doing that. It moved towards him in a threatening way, almost like it knew it was a delicious snack and the man was going to take it away. Generally, pelicans aren't dangerous to humans, even though they are large. They are mostly docile, but can pose a small amount of danger based on their size. They can also be aggressive if they're injured, but such a situation is incredibly rare. Number 3. Horse loves flute. We know that humans love music, but did you know that animals could also love music in the same way we do? Cruz the Appaloosa, which is a Native American breed of horse, loves listening to YouTuber Marty33 play the Native American flute. It bops his head in time to the slow music and seems to really enjoy hearing the song he's playing.
Awesome.
I like the color of that horse. It's cool.
For real.
But seeing a video of a horse enjoying music might not be as uncommon as you think. According to studies, horses enjoy listening to country music and classical music.
Horses
they can find
are a
it
lot
calming
like
in
us.
stressful situations, and it can
Like,
also enrich their environment
you know
and
how
make
they say
horses more docile
we're the only
and
thing
willing.
that
Those same
sweats?
studies also found that they weren't
Horses
as
sweat
fond of
too.
jazz and rock as they
We're
were
the
of
only
the
two
classical and
things that
country
sweat.
sounds.
All the other
Number 2.
animals
Cat plays
have to
dead.
pant like.
Cats can be trained to walk on leashes. Most cat owners just don't bother teaching them. Some cat owners can also think that you can pop a leash and harness on a fully grown cat that has never used one before and immediately have them walk with it on. As one cat owner and YouTuber, Anand Kumar, found out, that doesn't always happen. They were trying to take their cat for a walk on a harness and the cat just kept playing. It didn't want to go for a walk, which I can relate to.
Some cats just go limp, dude. It's funny.
Or it didn't like the feeling of the harness around its front legs, so it tips itself over like it's playing, leaving the cat's owners in hysterics. Just a wee hot tip for you though, if you buy or adopt a kitten and have big plans for being able to walk it on a leash, start it young. Get the cat used to the harness first before attempting to walk it with a leash attached, and use treats so it can learn a positive association with the harness. Time, patience, and plenty of goodies. You can have a cat that thoroughly enjoys walking on a leash like your dog. Number 1. Octopus escapes tank. Octopuses are smart, so smart that not even a pretty well-established tank at the Seattle Aquarium is enough to keep them contained. Visitors to the Seattle Aquarium had an extra special experience one day when they watched an eager octopus escape its tank and plant itself on the floor, surrounded by visitors. Aquarium workers were quick to scoop the same octopus back up, but you can also guarantee that it would be back to the same antics before long. According to a YouTube commenter, the octopus was fine and was under the careful watch of biologists after the escape attempt. Another update came to say that she had been released back into the wild. After all, it was pretty clear that she didn't want to be there. Scientists have found that octopuses are incredibly intelligent in many ways. Not only have they proved that by escaping their enclosures, but they can also solve mazes and complete complex puzzles to get rewards. Octopuses have even been seen unscrewing jars from the inside so they can escape. Their intelligence is believed to come from them having one central brain with 2 massive optic lobes and 8 smaller brains. And here's us with our 1 average-sized brain. That's hardly fair. I'm not going to lie, I'd pay good money to see some of these animals act the way they did. Who would have thought that a parrot could become a thief and a sea lion would be that friendly? Have you had any weird and wonderful encounters with animals that were a little out of the ordinary? Share your story in the comments. Also, check out our other cool stuff showing up.
Well, check him out.
The heck?
The cat got scared.
The cat ran.
Alright, go check out The Finest.
Yeah, go check out The Finest.
Yeah, you do the
and
outro.
Leave a like, subscribe,
You want your channel.
leave a comment down below whatever you want us to do next. I'm trying to do more gaming stuff soon, so
Check out my channel,
Yeah.
Immortal G.
definitely check out his channel. Leave a like, subscribe, check out our podcast.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing another episode in a few, so stay tuned. Anything else?
No, peace.
Peace.